Hey everybody, I'm DJ Glowing Ice and welcome back to Small Town Tutorials, teaching the people of Small Town USA how to do basic things. And today, we are going to show you how to clean your dirty microwave. We are going to use cleaning solution number 1. Make sure to use these cleaning solutions at your own risk. Open up the door and apply the solution into your dirty microwave. Now hit start and let's go. Step 2. Step 3. And there you have it. Your microwave is now clean. Look at it. It's practically brand new.
Shut up! Hey! Shut up!
And that is how you clean a microwave. Thank you all for watching Small Town Tutorials, where next week I'm going to show you how to brush your teeth. See you next time.